Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of regulator and court action. Reuters is reporting overnight that the EU antitrust regulators will levy a record fine of at least €1.5 billion on 6 financial institutions, including Barclays, HSBC and the Royal Bank of Scotland, for rigging the yen Libor interest rate benchmark. At the same time, a court has opened in New York where a group of professional oil traders are out to prove that BP, Shell and Morgan Stanley, among others, manipulated the Brent oil benchmark. It's a case that could have explosive consequences. And here's an update from a 2011 case. Remember John Corzine? He was an ex-Goldman's banker who became a politician, then went on to start MF Global, which folded in an investor run following some serious market rule violations. Well, despite the dire things he was accused of at the time, a bankruptcy court has approved a plan where everyone can get all their money back. The insolvency rumour turned out not to be true, even in the stress of a collapse. Speaking of stress, inflation is rising in China, and more quickly than authorities there are comfortable with. The central bank has issued a warning that they will take action if it goes much higher. 3.5% is their upper tolerance level, and in September came in at 3.1%. The October data will be released this weekend and is expected to be higher than that. In other overnight news, German and British factory PMIs rose strongly in October, but EU retail sales were particularly weak. The ECB is about to review its rate settings tomorrow, and there is speculation that we may see a cut. The question there is, does low inflation mean that prices are under control, or a signal that deflation is setting in? New Zealand dollar shot high yesterday on better than expected employment numbers. Along with the Auckland housing pressure, currency markets are seeing clearer case for the RBNZ rate hikes next year. New Zealand dollar starts today at 83.8 US cents, 88 Aussie cents, and the TWI was at 77.7. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.